In this video, I enable the Excel 2013 PowerView add-in and add a basic PowerView report to my workbook. With PowerView enabled, I'll be able to access the data in my Excel workbook or external data sources to create stunning visualizations and reports. Let's take a look. I've just installed Office 2013 and opened a blank workbook. I'll start by adding some data to my workbook. The data I'm adding is information about Olympic hosts at the turn of the 20th century. Save the data as a table. I remember to name the table and the tab. This will make identifying and working with the table in PowerView easier. In Excel, on the Insert tab, I have an option to add a PowerView report. If I add a blank report, I'll see the message, PowerView needs data to work with. But I'm going to create a PowerView report based on this new host table. With my cursor in the table, I click Insert PowerView Report. Because this is the first time I'm using PowerView, Excel prompts me to enable the add-in, and enabling PowerView also automatically enables PowerPivot. If I don't have Silverlight installed, I'll be prompted to install that as well. I already have Silverlight installed, so my very first PowerView sheet opens. The sheet is added as a tab in my Excel workbook, and my table is added here. On the left side, I have my report canvas. On the right, my PowerView fields list. The list contains all the tables in my data model, in this case only one table. And for each table, it lists the fields. When I expand a table, I see all the columns or fields that I can use to create my PowerView reports. A field is either a category or a value. Value fields can have a sigma icon or a calculator icon. My report canvas already has a visualization, a basic table with all of the fields from the host table. To remove a field, I go to the PowerView Fields area, select a field, and click Remove Field. I can also remove a field by removing the check mark up above. To convert my table into a different visualization, from the Design tab I have many options. This data lends itself to a matrix. Now I'm curious to see how the number of events changes over time. I remove season and city, move years to the rows, and convert to a line chart. Maps are a lot of fun. Let's add one to this sheet. Click in the empty space and select Country Region, Season, and Events. In the Design tab, click Map. A circle appears over each host city. The size of the circle represents the number of events that year. And red represents winter, blue, summer. Congratulations on creating your first PowerView report. You use Table from your worksheet to quickly create several different visualizations. I recommend watching the Relationships in PowerView video next. This video teaches you how to create connections between data from different tables and different sources. When you create these relationships, you are building a data model. In case this is your first introduction to data models in Excel, a data model is a collection of tables with relationships. Creating relationships or connections between the tables of data allows me to mash up large volumes of data from various sources, perform information analysis rapidly, and share insights easily. Wherever your PowerView report goes, the data model goes with it. When you share your workbook, published to SharePoint, or view on Office 365, the PowerView report is fully interactive because the data model stays with it. Please visit office.com for more information.